What are biosimilars? So to answer that question, first we have to understand what a biologic medicine is. Now, they're the usual type of medicine that most people are familiar with. They're pills that we call small molecule drugs. All right, and these are in a little pill bottle, and you go and get these from the pharmacy. There's also a category called biologic medicines, which are grown in big vats called bioreactors, and they're very complex organic molecules that are much, much larger and more complicated. And when you try to make a copy of one of these, you can't make an exact copy with current technology the way you can with a generic drug. What you can do is you can create something called a biosimilar, which has very, very highly similar structure and highly similar function in the body, but it's a little bit different because instead of trying to copy something and getting the exact structure, you are kind of reverse engineering the function and the structure of the molecule and creating a new molecule that'll do the same thing. So as a result of the fact that they're not generics, we have to completely come up with new policies all over the world. Here in the US, for example, we created new laws about when and in what circumstances these could be substituted by a pharmacy or an insurer or a PBM, pharmacy benefit manager. We have to create laws here in the US and in Europe and other countries where we can name these biosimilars in such a way with a suffix or another method so that we can tell them apart when we're keeping a patient record and we know what the patient actually received. If they all share the same name and there are 13 different products, that could lead to a problem if we can't trace an adverse event to the correct product. Also, approval. What types of information do you need to demonstrate biosimilarity? How close do you have to be able to be a biosimilar? So these are the kind of policies that regulators and governments and health agencies all over the world are working on. And patient groups like AiArthritis and lots of other patient groups all over the world work with these agencies and weigh in from a patient perspective to make sure that those policies help patients and reflect the needs of patients.